How to log in MetaMask wallet account. So hey everyone, it's me Shreya from Let Me Help. Let's dive into the video. Firstly, download the MetaMask app from the App Store in iOS or Google Play Store in Android. If you already have the MetaMask extension installed, click on the MetaMask icon in your browser toolbar or simply open it from your app list. Now, you can see create a new wallet. If this is your first time using the MetaMask, simply tap on it. After you tap on the create a new wallet, will be navigated with terms and conditions. Simply agree with the terms and conditions and continue. Now here you will get to see another terms of use. Scroll down till the bottom or simply use that arrow icon available and tap on the blue highlights and continue with the process. Now all you have to do is enter your passwords and re-enter it again. After you do so, tap on the checkbox option available there and continue with this process again. Now after this, wait for a few minutes and you will be navigated to another page. Now here, continue with the process again. Tap on the next option available there and tap on the start. After you tap on the start, you will be navigated to secret recovery phrase in MetaMask. For that, you'll have to confirm your password first. Enter your password you just made and continue with the process again. If you are using MetaMask on a new device or after a reinstall, you will need to enter your 12-word secret recovery phrase, also known as the seed phrase. You will need to enter this, and after entering your recovery phase, only you will be prompted to log in. You will have to enter it without looking at it. So make sure you take a screenshot or simply write it down on a notes to enter MetaMask. So that is it. If you found this video helpful, please like, share and subscribe, and thank you so much for watching.